We are here in the butterfly garden, and not only do we plant plants for the butterflies and other pollinators, but we also plant plants for larvae. Right here we have parsley, and as you can see, we have a little garden friend here, right? So this is the parsley worm caterpillar. Beautiful caterpillar. Of course, you have to plant a lot of parsley so they can have their share of it as well. Once this parsley worm caterpillar starts to mature, forms a chrysalis, in about a week or so, you'll get the eastern black swallowtail butterfly, which is a beautiful butterfly. So there you have it, beautiful parsley worm caterpillar. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.